Okay, number 7 on the review says, on windy days in winter it often feels much colder than the temperature on the thermometer. This is called wind chill. One day the weather station announces, tomorrow the temperature will be around -5 degrees Fahrenheit at noon, but due to the wind chill it will feel as if it's 8 degrees colder. What temperature will it feel like at noon tomorrow? So we have -5 degrees. If it's going to be 8 degrees colder, we're going to subtract 8 from the temperature. So it's our equation would look like this, -5 minus 8. And then if we change that to addition, we don't do anything to the first integer, but we add the opposite of the second integer. So we're changing this subtraction to addition, and we're changing the second integer to its opposite, so 8 becomes -8. And then -5 plus -8 equals -13 degrees Fahrenheit. Now many of you may have used a vertical number line instead, which is great. If 0 is here and the temperature is supposed to be -5, but it feels 8 degrees colder, we know it's going to be 8 below, since on a vertical number line the numbers get smaller as you go down. So -6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. -13 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 degrees colder. So that's another way to get the answer. On number 8, it's a couple true-false questions. First one says, -9 is the opposite of +9. That's true because opposites are equal. They're the same distance from 0. So the opposite of +9 is -9. The opposite of +5 is -5. The opposite of -3 is +3. So this is true. The next one says a 0 pair is 2 negative integers. Now we know from our chipboard that's not true. A 0 pair is a positive integer and a negative integer, +1 and -1. So this is false. Now another, sometimes I'll give you a little additional information that might help you on the test on the review videos for the people who are going to the trouble to watch them and study hard. If I asked you this question, 0 is an integer. What do you think about that one? If you don't remember, it's on the wall, and you're welcome to look at the math cards on the word wall. Our definition of integers was whole numbers, their opposites, and 0. So whole numbers are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Their opposites would be, remember from over here, -1, -2, -3, etc. and 0. So 0 is included as an integer, so this would be true. Okay, number 9. In 3 plays, a football team gained 10 yards. If we represent that as an integer, that would be +10. Lost 22 yards, that would be -22. And gained 15 yards, that's +15. What is the team's total yardage? Now when you see that keyword total, you know you're adding. So we're going to add the yardage from these 3 plays. So we have 10, +10, plus -22, plus +15. And then we just do the same way we do with PEMDAS, just do all the addition from left to right. +10 plus -22, the signs are different, so we find the difference. 22 minus 10 is 12. We keep the sign of the integer that is farthest from 0, has the greater absolute value or the greatest digit, and that's this one, -22, so this is a -12. And then we just bring down the rest of our equation, plus 15. Now we have 2 signs that are different, a negative and a positive, so we find the difference, we subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3, and then we look at our 2 integers, which one is farther from 0 on the number line, and that's +15, so this is a +3. So plus 3 yards would be the total yardage for those 3 plays. Okay, we'll pick up the review with number 10 on the next video.